This is CarPlay Hacks, your ultimate destination for all things automotive innovation. When it comes to finding the best solutions, we've got the hacks that'll rev up your driving experience. Car lovers go for Android Auto and CarPlay for ease. But not all cars work with them. No worries, we've got the answers. Whether you're iOS or Android, we've got you. Ready for a smoother drive? Stick around till the end, because we've got game-changing tips that could make all the difference in your driving experience. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Having trouble seamlessly integrating your iPhone into your driving experience? Look no further than In-Car, exclusively designed for iPhone users. With an intuitive interface and easy access to your favorite apps, it's like having everything at your fingertips, wherever you go. And don't forget the landscape mode for effortless navigation. You're in for a top-notch driving experience. Meet CarOS, your new road buddy. Picture this, a super safe, map-focused app that also lets you jam to podcasts, music, and take calls, all while recording your adventures. And get this, you can even customize your dashboard with your top 8 apps. Want to share your epic journey in real time? No problem. Just a heads up, the free version has a few limits, but consider upgrading for the full experience. So ready to take your drives up a notch with CarOS? Let's roll! Also, this is iCar mode. iCar mode is your ultimate CarPlay alternative. Get easy access to GPS, music, podcasts, contacts, and more. Seamless integration with Apple Music and instant radio play. Customize it your way. Find it in the App Store, compatible with iOS 14 Plus. Exactly what you've been searching for. Even though Android users don't have CarPlay, they've got some seriously cool alternatives up their sleeve to rev up their driving experience. Alright, enough of CarPlay talk. Let's dive into Android Auto. It's like having your phone as the ultimate co-pilot. Maps, calls, music, all hands-free. So, these are some awesome alternatives to ramp up your Android Auto experience. Alright, first up we've got In-Car for Android. It's like having your own customized command center right in your car. You can easily access essential apps like YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, Facebook, podcasts, and music. Just swipe through for even more options. So, next up in the lineup is Drive Mode, a real game changer for safer driving. This app is like your co-pilot, making calls and messages a breeze while you're on the road. It's designed with simplicity in mind, featuring voice commands and big buttons, all to keep your focus where it needs to be. So, to wrap it up, we've got a real game changer, Automate. This app's a powerhouse, handling all your essentials like calls, messages, and playing your favorite tunes. It's all about keeping your focus on the road where it matters most. And there you have it. To explore these fantastic driving companions in more detail, head over to carplayhacks.com. You'll find all the information you need along with convenient download links in the description below. Remember, safety always comes first, so buckle up, stay focused, and enjoy the ride. Safe travels, everyone!
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.